If you're trying to grow your email list, choosing the right software can be overwhelming, especially when comparing options like GetResponse and MailerLite. Both platforms offer great features, but which one is actually the best for your needs? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which one stands out and why you might want to consider another option altogether. Let's kick things off with the basics. Both GetResponse and MailerLite have similar offerings for email marketing. They both offer easy-to-use drag-and-drop editors, automation tools, and list segmentation, which are crucial for effectively growing your email list. However, the main difference is in their pricing models and the range of features that come with them. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. GetResponse offers a free plan, but it's limited to just 500 contacts, which isn't great for serious list builders. Their paid plans start at around $19 per month, but the higher tier plans offer additional features like webinars and advanced automation workflows. This could be helpful if you're scaling up, but if you're just starting, it might be overkill. MailerLite, on the other hand, offers a more generous free plan with up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 monthly emails. Their paid plans are also pretty affordable, starting at around $10 per month, and they don't force you into a higher tier unless you really need advanced features. For smaller lists and budget-conscious users, MailerLite is a more accessible choice. Next, let's look at ease of use. GetResponse has a more comprehensive interface with lots of tools available. While this is great for experienced marketers, it can feel overwhelming for beginners. MailerLite keeps it simple with a minimalist interface, making it easier for first-timers to jump in and start growing their email list right away. If you're looking for something that's straightforward, MailerLite might be the better option. But if you need more flexibility and are willing to climb a bit of a learning curve, GetResponse offers more in terms of customization. The fourth thing to consider is automation and advanced features. GetResponse is ahead of the curve here. Its automation builder is more advanced, giving you the ability to create more detailed and personalized email sequences. If automation is a major part of your email marketing strategy, GetResponse will likely be the better tool. However, MailerLite offers decent automation features as well, though it's a little more basic in comparison. For small businesses or simpler campaigns, MailerLite's automation could be enough. Now, let's talk about deliverability. This is a key factor when growing your email list. Both services have solid reputations for delivering emails, but GetResponse tends to have a slightly better track record in this area. If your goal is to ensure your emails always land in the inbox and not the spam folder, GetResponse might be worth the investment. That said, MailerLite's deliverability is still solid for most users, so if you're just starting out, you might not notice a huge difference. Finally, let's talk about support. GetResponse offers 24/7 live chat support, which can be a lifesaver if you run into issues. MailerLite support is good, but it's not as fast or as readily available. If you need instant help, GetResponse has the upper hand. So, which one should you choose? Both GetResponse and MailerLite are great options, but if you're serious about growing your email list and want more advanced features to back that up, GetResponse has a slight edge. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, simple, and effective to get started, MailerLite is a fantastic choice. That said, after testing both of these tools myself, I've found a better alternative for growing an email list effectively and with more flexibility. If you're looking to scale and get better results, take advantage of the free trial link in the description below. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else. Trust me, this is the better option for your email marketing needs.